So hello guys, welcome to my today's vlog. So today I started my vlog with the first morning class. It was physics class and today we did differentiation. Like, it's such a confusing topic, I can't say. It just blown my mind away. I think I have to practice it several times to understand. I have understood approx 50% of differentiation, but it's just that I have to remember the formulas now and know how to apply them directly and solve it a little fast. So like, I'll have to practice, guys. I'm surely going to bring some books recommendations for NEET. That I have ordered the books and books will be coming soon, and I'll do a video on that, so stay tuned. So guys, after my physics class that ended at 10:30, then I just after that attended my chemistry class. Like, this is also a half-hour class, 1.5 hour class, sorry. In today's class we did about vapor density, molecular weight and such things, and we solved many problems. Solving problems is great fun, but I find this small concept also a little new, so like it's a little hard also for me because I always get confused with these names. Either it is molar mass or it is molecular mass. Actually, I get confused with that, so that's why it's just a little difficult for me. I have to practice this Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to utilize these days very well and will practice these questions, some questions nicely. Now after getting finished with my classes, it was like 12:30 when I found like it's raining very nicely. This rain was very relaxing and like it was like so good, and like I know I'm eating too much of Maggie, but in such rainy seasons eating Maggie is just like another heaven. And then I attended my biology class which was for
Hello
like 1.5
guys,
hours, and then I
so I'll
went
show you
on my
this.
rooftop and
It's
I
like
saw
an
that
amazing
just
evening. It
after the
rained
rain
very
stopped,
heavily.
there was
Oh,
a
it's not able to focus.
very nice and clear
It rained
sunshine,
very heavily today.
and I hope that I could find a rainbow,
You
but it
can
was not
see
so. In
here
one
the
side there
clouds
was
are
a
very dark and it's
sunset,
about to
and in
get rained
the other
again.
side, like, there were
And
dark
here
clouds. The scene was
they are
very
like it's
soothing and
sun
very
shining.
relaxing.
I think we can
Like,
probably
guys, for
found a
stress
rainbow
relief,
here.
for releasing
My
stress,
god,
you
it's
should
so
always
clear.
go and find and look at the nature, look at flying birds. They will surely release your stress. And after coming and from 6 o'clock, I started studying my chemistry class, physics wala. It was like very basic classes are going on chemistry right now, like some conversions and all, but this basic concepts has to be cleared before we start solving the main problems and start studying the real stuff. So like, yeah, it was very easy, so I was watching it in 2x speed and I could understand, and wherever I was like supposed to make notes, I was just stopping the video and making some notes. So guys, after this I'm making nice notes of units and all. This has to be cleared very nicely, and then I thought to solve the DPP, which was given there. The DPP was very good. After solving these DPPs, I thought of doing another physics class, but I started it only at 8 o'clock. It took me 2 hours to complete these class and DPP, and then at 8 o'clock I started this video. This was quite good and quite like satisfying, this class. Here also we are doing now graphs. in physics and trigonometry. These graphs are also very important. So these all are basic maths going on from till now. In physics, I think it will take more 5-6 classes, or like 5-6 classes, yes, to finish off with the basic math concepts. And yeah, it was quite fun to watch all this. Guys, after this I just did some bio, completed my bio notes of schools, and then I started editing this video and went to sleep. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please like this video and comment, and please guys share these videos, and please motivate me to make such videos. It really takes long times to edit and shoot this video. I hope you like this. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. NEET aspirants will surely crack NEET.